Alright guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna fly the Eflite Slow Ultra Stick. Check it out. We got about a 10-mile-an-hour window. It's to my back, so it's coming out of there. But the Ultra Stick should be able to handle it just fine. This is the maiden. By the way, true maiden. I am putting the lights on just because it's cool. A little bit of a wind coming out my back. Check that out. It is cool. Guys, check out the maiden flight, Eflite Slow Ultra Stick, as it's called. This is the Slow Ultra Stick maiden flight. Kind of excited. Should fly great. Went together in a snap. I got no cameraman, of course, so I'm gonna put you guys on my head. This is the true maiden flight, guys. Oh, I'm trying out this Start RC, like transmitter glove, or whatever you want to call it. It's an attempt to like save my hands from freezing whenever I do one of these things. Okay, transmitter's on, throttle cut is off. Let's plug it in. Things off. Sweet. Controls are good. Elevator is good. Rudder is good. Ooh, I'll tell you what, I like this glove right away because I'm not feeling the wind. Alright, it's true maiden, guys. See how it goes. Oh man, it's a little windy. A little bit windy. Throttle check. Okay. Throttle check's good. Throttle cut is on. Let's take it out. First time I'm trying this control too, by the way. This controller cover, I should say. So give that a shot too. I kind of like it. You can move your hands and everything out. Okay, high rates, but high expo too. Right? Okay. Off it goes. Into the wind. Come around kind of slow. Slow Ultra Stick, guys. Maiden flight. I'm gonna switch to high rates. Low expo. Okay, I'll tell you right now, it reminds me of an Aero Scout and a Turbo Timber kind of combined. One thing I like about it, it doesn't seem like the wind really affects it much because maybe the frame? Touch? Touch and go! Hey, does that mean my maiden flight's over when it touches? Definition of a maiden flight, does that qualify? Alright, I'm coming in. Coming in, a little bit of a wind here. She slows down nice, guys. There's a plane over there. I have plenty of confidence that I don't have to fly it that high. Tell you what, I'm flying with no gloves on. I just have this cover for the transmitter, and I love it. Why didn't I do this earlier for like my winter flights, you know, where it was snowing and raining? It's cold out here, but yeah. Okay, I'm way out there, but I don't have to. It's just pretty quick plane when you want it to be. Pretty quiet prop too. It's not loud like the Aero Scout. It's one of my neighbors saying hello. Walking her dog. Okay, I'm loving this plane, guys. Look at that. That's cool. Diving down the Slow Ultra Stick. Slow is not really descriptive of this thing. It maybe refers to how you can fly it slow, but it's fast too. And it's kind of quiet. Those that own a Aero Scout, you understand what I mean. That little tiny pusher prop is loud, but this is nice. This is real nice. Look at that. Eflite Slow Ultra Stick. Okay, I got plenty of voltage. Touch and go. Oh, I touched! Dude, that was awesome. See how she settles in. Oh my god, that is awesome. Let's go straight up. And just, oh, what a gentle flyer. It's so much fun. Woo. The throttle. This is my first ever flight with it, guys. This is the maiden flight. I'm just having fun ripping around in this thing. Very capable, very capable. Touch and go. What a great plane. I'll keep it close here. First time with this transmitter cover too. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Very, very cool. Gonna make it land right here in front of me. Low flare. Woo! That was the maiden. That was the maiden. Check it out. That was awesome. That was a ton of fun, guys. Holy cow. Okay, that's flight 1. I'm gonna check the battery. Do a throttle cut. Throttle cut is on. So I can reach over with confidence. Oh, maiden flight. Woo! This thing was fun. Holy cow, my hands immediately get cold once I take it out of this transmitter cover. I love this transmitter cover. Dude, why didn't I do this earlier? 22 seconds left. Let's check out the voltage. Let's see how much we got left. So here we got I'll be able to read it to you. 60% left, guys. 60% left.